Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove whitespace from text in Power Automate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials to access your Power Automate dashboard. This is where you'll build and manage all your automated workflows. After logging in, look at the left sidebar of your screen and click on Create. This section gives you access to various flow templates and creation options that help you automate different tasks and processes within your organization. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect when you want to trigger automation manually, which gives you complete control over when the process runs rather than scheduling it or relying on automatic triggers. Next, you'll see a list of trigger options. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set this as your starting point. This ensures your automation will only run when you specifically initiate it, making it ideal for on-demand tasks. After selecting this trigger, click the Create button to proceed with building your flow. Now click the plus icon to add a new action to your workflow. In the search bar that appears, type Get File Content. For this tutorial, we'll be working with SharePoint, so locate and click on Get File Content under the SharePoint connector. This action allows Power Automate to retrieve the contents of your text file. You'll now need to configure this action. Input your SharePoint site address in the designated field. Then, in the File Identifier field, click the folder icon. This opens a file browser where you can navigate through your SharePoint folders and locate the text file you want to process. Once you've selected your file, click the plus icon again to add another action. This time, search for CloudMersive in the search bar. CloudMersive is a powerful file processing service that offers various text and document manipulation capabilities. Find CloudMersive file processing in the results and click See More to view all available actions. Browse through the options until you find Remove Whitespace from Text String, then click it. This action is specifically designed to strip out unnecessary spaces, tabs, and line breaks from your text content. In the action configuration, click Advanced Parameters to reveal additional settings. Look for the field labeled text containing whitespace and click on it. Then click the thunder icon to access dynamic content and select file content from the previous step. This connects your SharePoint file content directly to the whitespace removal process. Now click the plus icon one more time and search for Create File. Click on this action to add it to your workflow. This step will save your processed text as a new file, making it easy to access and use the cleaned up version. Input your SharePoint site address and folder path where you want the new file saved. Then provide a file name. Something like output.txt works perfectly. In the file content field, click the thunder icon and select text content result from the CloudMersive action. This ensures your newly cleaned text gets saved to the file. Your automation is now complete and ready to save and run. You've successfully created a workflow that removes whitespace from text files automatically. And that's it. You've built a Power Automate flow that processes text files and removes unwanted whitespace. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.